Gerald. What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes? A what? A ball, a swing, a hat?
shoe. I'm just laying down like Piggy.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Sniff. I don't know. I chew. Cannot. Stop. No. Achoo! Sneezing. I'll be like Piggy.
You are. Next page.
Oh no.
Here, slide over here so you can see in the camera.
What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But pigs do eat meat quickly. I cannot be near you! Then we cannot be best friends! And we'll be apart forever!
Oh no!
But Gerald,
No, do not speak.
Hold on. There you go.
It is too late.
I can't see it.
You know what, Mike?
What?
I'm just covering my face like you all.
That's fine. I'm just trying to get you in the picture.
It is too late.
Too late.
It is too late.
Yep. Next page.
Goodbye.
Gerald.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Are you okay, Gerald?
You put.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig made me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Wait, no cats make me sneeze. What's this? I'll be like Dr. Cat.
Mm-hmm. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold!
You are sick.
I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy!
There we go.
Piggy! Great news. You be like that.
Ooh, yep, he's dizzy, isn't he?
Yeah, she's dizzy. I have a cold.
Good for you.
And
And now it's time.
okay, good job, Tyler.